Hey everyone, welcome to Ask Nutritionist Deepa's whole food plant-based guilt-free cooking recipe videos. And today I just want to show you a quick tutorial on a heart healthy salad, which is my spinach beet salad that I almost eat on a weekly basis, couple times a week at least. So I'm just going to unravel some of the ingredients in here. I have, first of all, finely chopped spinach here. As you know, spinach or any green is good for is a source of that nitric oxide which keeps our arteries clean. So an extremely important ingredient in this salad is some sort of green. I have used spinach today. You can use kale, you can use Swiss chard, you can use cilantro, anything that looks green, you can put it in here. Then I have second, another powerful ingredient, beets. These are boiled beets, and again beet has ability to expand or relax your blood vessels, thus contributing to lowering your blood pressure. Now if I just open it slightly, by the way, there is a peanut powder on top, so I add some peanut powder or nut powder, and in here I have some radishes. These are finely chopped red and purple radishes, so the radishes are in there. And as you dig down, I have added some chopped baby tomatoes, grape tomatoes, and the final couple ingredient here are again sugar snap peas, and let me see another one, and some cucumber. Okay, that's all to this salad is just mixing it together with little bit of lemon juice, crushed cumin. You can add pinch of salt, Celtic salt, Himalayan salt if you want to balance off some of the mineral composition, but you can skip that altogether. You can add some avocado to it, chopped carrots, but again for heart health, this is the heart healthy salad recipe which needs to have beets and greens in it. Okay, so hope you guys can make it. You can serve this before your meals. Fantastic. You will notice your portions for meals will go down when you eat this much salad before you start your meal. You can serve it with soup or any kind of grain, or or you can put it in the wrap. So and that's it. That's my wrap today. So hope you will enjoy. You will make this salad and write me a comment in the and on my YouTube channel. And thank you for watching, and have a wonderful day.